In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email a Google Docs document as an attachment directly from within Google Docs. This is a convenient feature that allows you to quickly share your document with others without leaving the app. And it's especially useful for maintaining the document's format, or if you're dealing with recipients who might have trouble accessing Google Docs directly. First, to get started, you'll open your Google Docs document that you wish to email. Once your document is ready, move your cursor to the top left corner and click on the File option in the Google Docs menu. This will open a drop-down menu with a variety of options. From there, you want to select Email as Attachment. This feature allows you to send your document via email without the need for extra downloading or uploading steps. Now, let's move on to composing the email. In the dialog box that appears, you'll see a field where you can enter the recipient's email address. Ensure that you type this correctly to prevent sending it to the wrong person. Below the recipient field, you'll find another space where you can create a subject line for your email. This should be concise yet informative, giving the recipient a clear idea of what your email is about. Next, there is a larger area for you to write your message in the body of the email. Here, you might want to provide a brief explanation or context about the document you're sending. With the email details in place, it's time to choose your attachment type. In the bottom left corner of the dialog box, there's a drop-down menu where you can select the file type for your attachment. This includes options like PDF and Word documents. If you find that the recipient might have difficulty with certain file types, there's also an option to tick the Don't Attach box. By doing this, your document will be included directly within the email body itself. This can be particularly helpful if you want to ensure the content is seen without any additional openings or downloads. Once you've made these selections and are satisfied with everything in your email, go ahead and click the Send button. It's as simple as that. But before you wrap things up, there are a couple of important notes to keep in mind. This method only sends a static copy of your document, which means that the recipient will not have access to the live Google Doc itself. Also, Google Docs does not record emails sent this way, so you won't find them in your Gmail's Sent Messages folder. However, if the recipient replies, their response will appear in your Gmail inbox, and there you have it. You have now successfully sent your Google Docs document via email, directly from within the app. This feature provides a streamlined and efficient way to share documents, especially when quick and direct communication is needed.